Ya tú sabes, that is spaz. Ya tú sabes, that I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one to do this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blunt y se cae Dolores.
Alright, so right now we're gonna be starting out this bad boy. We're gonna be cleaning it up and getting it ready. Taking all the rough spots, all the ugly spots. We're gonna be taking all that out. Alright, so stick around, guys. I'm gonna be hooking up a chopper. So to take all this off, we're gonna have to take all this. All that right there is gonna be clean, as you can see. All that is gonna be clean. We're gonna get some new rims for it. All this is gonna be clean. You see all the rust? All that. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got everything apart. We just got the frame right there. We're gonna get that cleaned up. The sprocket and the crank cleaned up. I already have all this cleaned up. All cleaned up. So yeah, guys, that's where we at. Okay, so we got the frame all cleaned up, guys. Okay, all the parts are cleaned up. Now to put it together. All right, guys, so we just got some goodies for the chopper frame. We just got some goodies for the chopper frame right now. I'm gonna open it up together. Alright, so this is what I got. This is what the customer asked for. Alright, so they asked for some new rims, 144 spoke rims, as I can see. This is a 144 20-inch spoke rims, front rim. Okay. All this provided from F&R, lowrider bike parts. Right here we have a 24-inch, 144 spoke rims. That's what we got right here. That's for the back. That's what the customer asked for. With the matching tires. Also the mirrors that they wanted. They wanted this style mirrors. I like this. The mirrors are nice. They're pretty cute. So I got going on. Same one. We got the banana seat as well. Banana seat. also have the some mufflers to go with it. And right here we have the rest of the parts for the rims. As I can see right here. So all this parts right here will be going on this chopper frame right here that we have behind us. Alright, so right now I'm going to put in the rims back. So when I need them, I'll use them, but for right now, I'm just keep it in here for when it gets scratched up. As well as the front ones too. So stay tuned, guys, for part two. Part two will be coming out very, very soon. I'm going to be installing everything today. And we'll see where we get at. All right, so God bless. See you in a few.